Subscribe to House to Home. This is absolutely free. And also tap the bell icon so that you will get all notifications from our channel. Hello friends and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on Vallarai Thuvaiyal recipe. Vallarai, which is also popularly known as the Brahmi leaves, are rich in memory boosting power and also helps in digestion. Just remove the stems and wash it thoroughly in water. Quarter a shell of coconut sliced into small pieces. 1 medium-sized onion. You can replace it with small onions as well. 5 to 6 garlics. A small piece of tamarind. You can also use tomatoes instead of tamarind. 1 tablespoon of urad dal and dry red chilies as per your taste. And for the seasoning, you require a little mustard and 1 dry red chili. Now first let's dry roast without any oil the urad dal and the dry red chilies. Let it turn crispy and brown. Set this aside and let it cool. Now add a little sesame oil to the same pan and add an onion and garlic. Shallow fry it. Then add in the Brahmi leaves. Add little more sesame oil if required and saute this well. Add in the tamarind, the coconut slices and cook together. Add required amount of salt and cook until the leaves are cooked well. Now take the dry red chili and the urad dal in the mixer jar and powder it first. Now let's add the cooked leaf into the same grinding jar and make it into a paste with adding a very little water if required. That's it, our thuvaiyal is done. Transfer this into a bowl. Now take a pan and add in a little sesame oil. Add in the mustard and dry red chili for the seasoning. And pour this above the chutney. Vallarai Thuvaiyal tastes great with hot idlis or dosha. Hope you'll give this recipe a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Please like and share the episode. Also subscribe to House to Home. Thanks for watching House to Home.